Look, our business was built off the back of lockdowns. So we started our business in August 2020. Prior to that, I think the whole country went through a series of pretty harsh lockdowns. And it was because of those lockdowns, Investmentor was created. And when we started the business, there were two core philosophies. Number one was that we were first and foremost a digital business. So how we built our entire backbone, our product offering, our service to our customers was completely digital. All of our marketing, everything completely digital. That's the first. The second thing that I think really helped us was that we structured our business like as if we were a tech startup. So we didn't go into this thinking that we were a property business. We went into this business thinking that we were a tech startup, structuring our business and implementing growth procedures and things that Google or Apple would implement into their businesses. And I think that's what really helped us throughout this period, are those two things. Really helped us during COVID. And I think will continue to serve us extremely well into the future.